we're cooking up a Jamaican classic, curry goat. Tender and seasoned down to the bone and simmer down in that rich curry gravy. Let's make it. Garlic. Just give them a roughly chop, okay? Onion. Oh my God. Can't stand it. Bell pepper. I like to use the green one. Potatoes. These are yellow potatoes. Ginger. That's good. Scotch bonnet pepper. You hotter than pepper seed. Anyway, we'll cut up some of this. Ooh, we'll cut up some of this and put in it. Scallion. And thyme. Smells so good. The goat meat is already washed and clean. Now it's time to season this meat. All-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, curry powder. This is better for curry. Onion to it. Scallion and thyme. Scotch bonnet pepper. Pimento seed. Just a splash, okay? Time for rubbing this. Smelling so good already. Well seasoned down. You can marinate this overnight or leave it to marinate for 4 to 6 hours. Okay, let's do it. Add some oil to the pot. Curry powder. For about a minute. Just leave it to cook, okay? Coconut milk. Ooh. Gungo peas. I'm using canned gungo, okay? Scallion. Thyme. Green bell pepper. Garlic. Ginger. Scotch bonnet pepper. And salt to taste. Pimento berries. Cover for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add your washed rice. I'm using about 3 pounds of rice. Cooked on medium-high heat for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, lower the heat and cook for the next 10 minutes. After about an hour and a half, this is what it's looking like. I didn't add any water to it. And I add back some fresh seasoning to it. Onion, bell peppers, potato. The meat is not soft yet. Do not add these yet. Cook the meat until it's tender and then you add these. Alright. To tell the truth, foreign goat not really take long for cook. No, a person not really take long for cook. Only cow foot and some is really like take long for cook, but nothing really take long for cook up here. Scallion, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. And just like that, all done. All done. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Amen. Alright. I'm here again with the road to them. My business on no style. And nothing will go better with curry goat than this Jamaican salad. Perfect. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. All the measurement will leave down in the description box, so go ahead and check that out, okay? As usual, let me know what you had for Sunday dinner. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.